Here I am in the burial chamber at Quoyness on the island of Sanday. Wonderful semi-corbelled to linteled ceiling, 5.5 meters in height. Looking up to the light now. As you actually come down, there are actually 1, 2, 3 chambers on this side, and as we loop around, there is another 1, 2, 3 chambers and an entranceway. Beautiful battering on this burial chamber, no more than 2 meters wide and approximately a good 4 meters in length. Can't really film into the burial chambers with these. Burial chambers themselves, the 6 that you see at this wonderful site of Quoyness. This is Karl-James Langford reporting into the light down this passageway that is approximately 3.5 meters long, reporting for Archaeology Cymru. Thank you.